Hello, in this video you will learn how to create these legs using the same tool, Extrudecurve, but we will also learn how to rotate, how to relocate gumball point. So we will learn all those things. In class today we drew this curve so it can fit right there just like that. And let me show you how to do Extrudecurve because we had some students who had trouble doing it correctly. So let's select the curve and EXC for Extrudecurve. And so if your option doesn't say solid yes, then you need to click it. If it says like solid no, then you should click that so it can create a solid object. Okay, and all other things leave it as default. And again, we put in the distance, extrusion distance, and it was I think 1.5 inch. Okay, and it is created just like this. So that's how you create table top. And now we are moving on to create these legs, and we do that here instead of here because it is more from like front view or side view. So this will be front view, will be more appropriate to do it. So let's do it here, but the issue is we don't have the picture here, so we need to put it here again. And I have Noguchi 2 image, and it is 31.5 this way and 15 that way. So just keep in mind all those dimensions, and 1.5 here and 1.75 over here. So ultimately, we want to create these two legs. We create one and then copy and rotate to create this shape. So that's what we're gonna do. Let me delete these. And let me delete that one too. Okay. And let's place picture here so we can see things better. Again, it is double click over here so we can see better. And picture, and you will get this one, this image to choose from. Let's place them here, generally over here. And now we just need to do the same thing that we did for the top. We create this rectangle, and I think I created earlier. Let me delete that so we can create a new one. So what we're gonna do is like we want to create 15.75 height, 15.75 height, and the width of the leg was 31.5. So we want to create that rectangle over here. So we can draw in that range. So and here we just need to place it so we can and then we can make it bigger, right? This is the one. Okay, again, self-illuminating, off, mask on, and make the transparency little higher. So now we can see what we are doing better, right? So that's what you should do as well. Make it bigger. Here we kind of go by eyes. Okay, I think that's good. So we adjusted the image so it can fit right into this dimension. And now we can start drawing. Okay. So over here we use, there are like straight lines and straight, right, and here, and there are like curved lines over here. So we are mixing them. The issue is if we do that, it is not like one polygon, so later we will need to join them. If we don't do that, like it extrudes, but maybe later we may encounter issues if you want to do different things with the curves. So let's start from the line, and here line is polyline. That's how they call. Okay, so here straight line, and if you want to make straight, not slant like that, just use shift key at the same time, then it'll make a straight line. Okay, and I will go about here straight, and then from here I will enter and then move on to curve, and make sure you have all snap on and end pointer on, so I can pick up that end point. And here we will draw the curves. Here just make points whenever the curve change the direction. Okay, so again, line here, straight using shift key, and curve, enter, and curve. Here, enter, way better. So last time in class we learned how to add insert points. Okay, so here, this one, and we added. Okay, so we should follow here, select curve or surface. So this is the curve, and now you can add them. Okay, that's good. Enter, and I think one, it is slow. Okay, here, another, oops, I got distracted. Okay, so this one here, and that one. Okay, here. So I think that is generally fine. Tighten up a little more. So we created this one, this shape. Now we don't need rectangle, it is just in the way, so let's just delete that one. And after that, let me hide this one for now. So hide the picture, hide is H. Okay, so we can see this better. Earlier I said it should be one polygon instead of like several different polylines. So select everything here, and then type join. Now when you click it, it is one polygon, so I think that will be easier. And after that we do need our picture back, right? We hit earlier, so let's do show. Oops, command show, and it'll appear again. So here we wanted to make this leg to be solid object, right? So we need to do extrude curve. So extrude curve, And again, like the distance will be 1.5, right? So that is the correct distance. So just do enter, and it is created just like that. Let me do that. And so this is the one. And the problem is, like, it was created over here instead of there because that was where the picture was. So let's move that. Click it and move. When you move, it is easier to use the viewport instead of perspective viewport. So that way we can move 2D instead of 3D. Let's move here. Okay, right